In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Copilot for Outlook. This innovative tool simplifies your email and scheduling tasks, making your daily routine more efficient and seamless. Let's dive into how you can harness the power of Copilot to streamline these essential activities. First, let's get started by opening Outlook on your computer. As you launch Outlook, familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already acquainted with it. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, ensuring that even those new to Outlook can navigate it comfortably. Once you have Outlook open and ready, it's time to focus on locating the Copilot feature. Next, you want to direct your attention to the top right corner of the Outlook window. This is where you'll find the Copilot icon. It's usually distinguishable by its unique design, standing out against the other standard icons. Clicking this icon is your gateway to accessing the suite of features that Copilot offers. This simple click can open up a host of possibilities for you to explore, but today we'll concentrate on its core functionalities. Once Copilot is activated, you can immediately start using it to summarize or draft emails. Whether you're trying to create a comprehensive summary of an extensive thread or draft a brand new email, Copilot can lend a helpful hand. This feature is particularly useful when you're pressed for time or need to ensure your email is both concise and comprehensive. Simply dictate or type in the specifics of the email you need assistance with, and Copilot will work its magic to compile or draft it according to your requirements. This not only saves time, but also enhances your productivity, allowing you to focus on what really matters. Beyond just handling your emails, Copilot also proves to be immensely beneficial with scheduling tasks. You can ask Copilot to create calendar invites or even draft meeting notes for you. This is an invaluable feature for those who manage multiple meetings regularly. By simply instructing Copilot to prepare an invite or compile notes, you can effortlessly keep track of your scheduling commitments. This aspect of Copilot ensures that you never miss a meeting and can stay organized with minimal effort. So there you have it, a quick and efficient way to utilize Microsoft Copilot for Outlook. As you continue to use Copilot, you'll likely discover even more applications that fit your personal or professional needs. Remember, the aim of Copilot is to enhance your experience and efficiency with Outlook, providing you with more time to focus on the tasks that truly require your attention. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful in better understanding how to use Microsoft Copilot to its fullest potential.